juniors, how do you do? I hope that you all are going good and watching videos regularly. Welcome back to the class of Moral Science. Today we are going to read about one more value and the name of the value is being cheerful. But before reading this value, first of all we will learn what does it mean. So dear children, being cheerful means being happy, or we can say being in jolly mood. See children, if you smile always, then it means you are cheerful. And you know what? Everybody likes a person who always keeps smile on face. Let's understand more about this value with the help of some pictures. So look at the screen. There is one picture for you children. What do you see in this picture? The children are looking very happy. So what does it mean? It means they know the value of being cheerful. Now look at the next picture. What different you see in this picture children? The boy is looking very angry and he is making faces. So what does it mean? It means he does not know the value of being cheerful. There is one more example for you children. Look at this picture. This is a scene of a classroom and the students in the classroom are looking very cheerful while studying. So what does it mean? It means they all know the value of being happy or cheerful. But look at this picture children. This is also a scene of a classroom, but the students are looking very sad and making faces. So what does it mean? It means they do not know the value of being cheerful. I hope children that you all have understood clearly about this value through these pictures. Now let's move further and start reading part. So open your moral science book children, page number 21 and hold the pencil. Start reading with me. The name of the chapter is Being Cheerful. Now underline the word cheerful and write here its meaning happy. Happy, happy. So being cheerful means children being happy. Now the next we have to discuss where is it required or where we have to use this value. Remember children, this value is required everywhere wherever you go, like at school, at home, public places, wherever you go, as everybody likes a person who remains cheerful. Let's come back to the reading part. The first line is Rohit always has smile on his face. So there is a boy children whose name is Rohit and he always keeps smile on his face. He always cheerful. So it means he always stay happy. He keeps his friends happy. So what he does children? He keeps his friends happy by his jolly nature. He does his work happily. See children, Rohit never make faces to do any work. He always does his work in a happy way. Come to the next paragraph, that is think and write. Rohit is a cheerful boy. Everyone loves to be with him. As we already read about Rohit children, that he is a very cheerful and everyone likes to be with him. Now next are the some questions children and you have to answer in the form of yes or no. So listen these questions carefully and answer. The first question is, do you remain happy all the time? If you smile all the time children, then write here yes. Do you become sad when you have more work to do? Say children, if there is a lot of work for you to do, then how will you behave? Will you do all the work happily or become sad? So write here its answer. The third question is, do you become upset when your demand is not fulfilled? Now there is a word, children, upset. Underline this word and write here its meaning, sad. S-A-D, sad. Now there is one more word, demand. Underline this word and write here its meaning, call for. C-A-L-L, call, F-O-R, for. So if you want something from your parents or your relatives, children, and in case you do not get that thing, then what will you do? Will you become sad? If yes, then write here yes, and if no, then write here no. Now the last question is, do you keep your friends happy? Remember one thing, children, you can keep your friends happy only if you follow this value. So if you keep your friends happy, then write here yes. This is all about reading part. Now next we have to discuss about source of inspiration. Source of inspiration means, children, the personalities who inspired us to be cheerful. Now look at the screen. There is one picture for you, children. Do you know about them, children? Yes, they are Mr. Bean and Charlie Chaplin. You may have seen their comic acts, children, and they both make others happy through their funny videos and spread happiness everywhere. So we must learn from them, children, how to be cheerful and how can we make others happy. Now look at this picture also. So, what do you see in this picture? Do you know about them, children? I am sure that you all know very well about them. They are Bharti Singh and Kapil Sharma. And you all watch them on TV shows, children, like the Kapil Sharma show, through which they make others happy and cheerful. So we must learn from them, children, how to be happy or how can we make others happy. Now this is all about today's class, children, and I hope that you all have understood about this value very clearly. And remember always, this value costs nothing but makes others happy. And everybody likes a cheerful person. Now next is your homework time. So today's your homework is, children, you have to revise today's class again and understand the value of being cheerful. Till then, take care, be safe at home and give proper time to your studies, children. Thank you so much.